Location, lifestyle, and space. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath house in the heart of Osage Beach checks all the boxes. Hi, I'm Ron Dodge with the Ron Dodge Real Estate Group, powered by RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks. Come on, let's go take a look. Just minutes from Margaritaville Lake Resort, the Oaks Golf Course, Redhead Lakeside Grill and Yacht Club, and Shorty Pants, you're right in the middle of everything that makes lake life fun. The main level offers an open layout with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, highlighted by a beautifully updated kitchen featuring quartz countertops, new cabinetry, and newer flooring. Step outside to the fantastic deck and patio overlooking a large fenced yard with minimal upkeep. The walkout lower level provides a second living area, 4th bedroom, full bath, and an ideal space for guests or entertaining. Complete with a 2-car garage and generous storage, this home blends style, function, and location in a true lake lifestyle opportunity. Give me a call today for your own private showing.